Hello, my name is Juliana Gaona, and today I'll be presenting my analysis of the bicycle project's team performance. So, this is the presentation of the agenda, and throughout this video, I'll provide an overview of the project, highlight the key successes and the challenges that were faced by the team, and also I'd like to share my recommendations for improving efficiency in future sprints or future projects. So first, let's start with a quick overview of the bicycle project. This initiative aimed to develop and launched a new bicycle search feature, and the goal was to create a platform that was a one-stop for the users to search for bicycles using a unique ID and get access to reports. The reports included certain information such as sales listing, market values, specifications, and customers' ratings. The project also involved the collaboration between internal parts in the team that included a product manager, a developer, a designer, a quality assurance, and a project manager. This feature was designed to enhance the user experience. So it has a format and a structure that is easy to use and understand. Now, my role in this assessment is to review how was the team's performance over the last sprints of the project and analyze what worked well, what could have been improved, and give some actions and solutions to optimize the team's workflow and the delivery process. Now, as part of the analysis, after reviewing the team's work, one of the most critical issues that stood out was the lack of an effective communication and organization in the team. The decision making responsibilities were unclear, and it could have contributed to inefficiencies in the process. Also, in my consideration, the task prioritization of the ticket within the application of Jaira was inconsistent, and it could have led to last minute rushes and some delays in the process. One major observation of it is that the feature was planned to be launched for Sprint 126, but it was actually launched in Sprint 127, with additional work extending to the Sprint 128. This combination, all of this combined with last minute tickets, that was also a problem that was reported, left to insufficient testing time, as it was reported by the quality assurance part, Arthur Munoz, in the team. Another challenge was the uneven distribution of the workload in the team. Some team members were in a rush at the end of the sprint, while others had tasks that were blocked due to a lack of coordination. This inconsistency led to delays in the process and actually made difficult to ensure that the development of the process was smooth. Now, as part of the project successes, well, I consider that despite all these challenges that I already mentioned, the project had several strengths. As it was mentioned in the video that guide me to this assessment, the final product was rich in features and was well designed. The end product provide the users a powerful tool to search the bicycles in an efficient way. Also, the team maintained a strong record of bug tracking, which has helped to identify and addressing issues in an effective way. Additionally, and last but not least, the collaboration between the internal parts of the team was well and ensured that all the necessary data was integrated into the platform, even though they had some miscommunications in the process. To enhance the team efficiency, my first recommendation is to establish a clear ticket prioritization system within the application Jaira. by setting a structured categories and deadlines for every task in the ticket. Additionally, in my consideration, every ticket should have a mandatory description, a structured order of how to do it, and an estimated completion time. Another key improvement is in communication. The team needs a clearer decision making structure to define who approves the changes, who approves everything or anything, and whether the team have a certain independency um, approval for the decision making. Also, I recommend follow-up meetings with structured documentation, like meeting minutes, that will help keep tracking the progress and will reduce the miscommunications. Regarding the testing process, I strongly recommend allocating dedicated time for structured testing before launch. A cutoff date for the new tickets before the release sprints will also prevent last minute changes from disrupting the process. Additionally, I will also recommend a record of solutions for similar tickets because documenting how past issues were resolved will optimize the response time. Um, this by providing a reference for how to handle these common problems in an effective way. This approach will not only reduce the delays but also would increase the team autonomy, allowing the members to resolve common issues without having to wait long time for approvals or guidance. In conclusion, the bicycle project was a success, but some improvements in communication, in task prioritization, and testing can make future sprints and projects even more efficient. I consider that implementing these recommendations will lead to a better planning, a better structure of the workflow, and fewer last minute delays. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll be looking forward to your feedback and any questions you may have. Bye bye.